Okay, so again, the rest of these problems are just simplifying. So we'll start with number 8. There's an implied parentheses with a fraction bar, so we do the numerator first. 5 times negative 6 is just a negative 30 over negative 3. Remember, fraction bar means division, so 30 divided by 3 is 10. A negative over a negative is 2 negatives, which makes a positive, so it stays a positive 10. So your answer to 8 is 10. The next problem, you want to change all your subtraction to addition. Subtraction to addition, change the next sign. Subtraction to addition, change the 2 to negative 2. Subtraction to addition, change the 8 to negative 8. Now we add them one at a time. Negative 12 plus 2, signs are different, so we subtract. 12 minus 2 is 10. 12 is bigger, so it stays negative. Plus negative 2, plus negative 8 plus 9. Negative 10 plus negative 2 is just negative 12. The signs are the same, so you add them together. And so you end up with negative 12 plus negative 8 plus 9. Negative 12 plus negative 8, signs are still the same, so you're still at negative 20. And then with negative 20 plus 9, signs are different, so you subtract. And so 20 minus 9 is 11. Since 20 is bigger, it's negative 11. So you end up with negative 11. On 10, you've got 3 times negative 4 to start, so it's negative 12. Minus 2 times negative 5, which is negative 10. You got a subtraction sign, so you change it to addition. That means I need to change the next sign, which becomes a positive 10. Negative 12 plus 10 is just negative 2. Okay, the next set of problems, same directions. You start by 12 plus 3 times 6 minus 2. This is that problem. Resist the temptation. Do not add 12 and 3 together. 3 has 2 operations on it. Add, multiply. Multiply first. So the first thing we should have done is parentheses. 6 minus 2 is just 4. Now I do 3 times 4, which is 12. So I get 12 plus 12, and 12 plus 12 just equals 24. Resist the temptation. Do not subtract here. 2 is being multiplied by the bracket and then subtracted from the 20. Wait till you've done the multiplication before you do the subtraction. 7 minus 5 is 2. And so we do parentheses first, and now I've got 2 inside that parentheses. 3 times 2 is 6. And so you end up with 2 times 6. 20 minus 2 times 6 is 12, so you end up with 20 minus 12. We could change it to plus a negative, but 20 minus 12 you've known how to do for a long time. That is just 8. Okay, 13. Multiplication happens before addition. I hope we didn't multiply 3 times, do 3 plus 4. If you got negative 84 as your answer, you did 3 plus 4, or positive 84. You did 3 plus 4 first. So multiply these together first. 4 plus negative 4 is negative 16. Negative 16 times negative 3 is a positive 48. And then when you add 3 plus 48, you end up with 51.